Hello everybody, it's Neil from JinSalu.com. Today I want to show everybody a new gun. Is stud gun. Okay, STUD gun. You can watch. Okay. Check it out. Okay, this is accessory for this one. So we have this one. Stud gun. Stud. Okay. So the function okay, you can see that the gun, the wire long is about that. And this one, okay, is for 3550. Okay, and this one you can see 35 and 50. Okay, now so this gun is for just quickly I could show you another video what's the function with this gun. And let's take a look inside. Let's take a look what it's inside. And this is accessory. You can here, look here, and the switch. Yes, we have this. And they can put a consumer bird here, and we sell the consumer bird for this gun. And again, you can buy this gun from our website. Just sending email for me. Okay. Everybody can check. And for this gun, our price is very affordable compared to another supplier. We have confidence in the price, and we provide a very good service with when you're using the gun. Any problem, any questions, just ask us for help. Okay. So this is the gun. Shoot. Now just open Google and type JinSalu. Yes, you will find our website. And click. Okay, you will find our home page, and you can find a lot of product here. And if you want to buy any product, just send email through this contact form. I can set image here and set the request what you want, and we will get that, and it will deal with your order very quickly. Okay.